how do our minds create these kinds of synchronicities in the world around us? How do we get these messages from the universe? Where are they coming from? Parts of them are from our bodies. Other things are from outside of ourselves. An example of that is there are several Qigong masters, and they can take water, another substance. Our bodies are 70% water. The planet is 70% water on its surface. So water is all around us. We just take H2O for granted. But water is a miraculous substance. And so in one amazing piece of research, the investigators took water and they measured the angle at which it bonds. And of course, everyone knows what the chemical formula is for water. Is H2O. So it's basically a big oxygen molecule with two little hydrogen molecules that branch off it. And that angle has been measured by science for a century. The molecular angle of that molecule is 104.5 degrees. So they knew when they looked at the water, they'd find that molecular bonding angle between the oxygen and the two hydrogens of 104.5 degrees. But when they looked at water that had been blessed by a healing touch, therapeutic touch, when that healer had held the water in her hands or in his hands, that bonding angle changed. When that water was later used to water plants, in some of the early experiments in this field, the water that had been blessed by the healer, those plants germinated. The seeds that the healer had, the seeds were watered with that water, more of those seeds germinated than in the control group, and the plants grew twice as fast and twice as big as in the group that hadn't been treated. So that water was having big effects on biological systems. So literally our energy fields and our thoughts, our beliefs, especially if our minds are focused and coherent, those are having big effects on the world around us. And as I pieced together all the science behind this, I found literally hundreds of studies showing that we don't just affect the cells of our bodies, like those cortisol and gene expression studies. We literally affect the stuff of the world around us.